Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do.
Okay, y'all, welcome back to the channel, y'all. But if you're watching this, it's too late. Your girl's already on vacation. So, but ooh, yeah. So I'm excited because, y'all, I'm on vacation, but I pre-recorded this video so that you guys will still have it, because you know we are on a mission, y'all. So it is Sunday, 27th of August 2023, and so yeah, guys, not to hold y'all for too long, let's talk about September budget, because I told y'all I was coming for her. She tried me. August tried me, but September I'm coming for you, and that is point blank and period. Okay, so let me get this calculator real quick so we can stay on task, so y'all can know all the things that's happening in September. So my salary, if you guys noticed from last month and this month, it changed by $5. The reason it changed by $5 is because this is $5 I sent to a different bank account to make sure that bank account still stays open and active, even though I don't use it on a regular basis. And then other is $600 for that rental income. So $39.82 plus $600. Y'all hear the accent come out real quick? So $45.80 is how much we're working with for the month of September. So let's go through the bills for the month of September, because most of them haven't really changed. Let me zoom y'all in some more. Most of them haven't really changed. They're all the same, or majority of them is the same. So mortgage is still $14.1072. That's not going to change until, I want to say, December, January time frame. HOA is $50 because they want to do that increase this year. We'll see next year, child, because the way how inflation going, baby. Patreon is $17.50. Pest control is $66.73. Next is my internet, which is $98.38. It was $95 on the last one, and that was my average, but my regular bill is $98.38, child. I don't know why I didn't update it. I just been taking forever. Drivenily is $25. That's my gym. America's my dad in Jamaica, which I'm not sure if I'm going to see him on this trip, because he lives in a completely different state than where I'm going to. Like, I'm going to 2 different states, and he doesn't live in either one of them. So I don't know if I'll be seeing him on this trip. Yes, ADT security is still going to be $53.91. Let's come back to that. Apple Care is $8.55. Electricity is $180. Car payment is $401, which hasn't changed. Apple One is $24.41. That hasn't changed. And water is $120. My electricity and my water both are going to be at $180. I did get the bills in August. However, like, they weren't a full month of use, you could say. They only showed half of it when I have a roommate. So once a full month bill has come, then I can know, like, the actual roundabout number of what it's going to be, so that way your girl can know what she's working with. But for right now, I'm going to keep them at $180 and $120, because that would be, they would be best, so I can know what I'm working with, yeah. So anyways, 2 things happening in September that your girl did not plan for, and let me tell y'all about it, okay? So the first thing, it's not necessarily a plan for situation, but Navy Fed, right? So my normal Navy Fed used to be $50, but that is increasing because the balance on my credit card has increased, and so the minimum payment has increased as well. So my minimum payment has changed from $50 to now $174.51. Yes, child, the jump is jumping, okay? The jump is jumping, and so your girl has to account for that. So I wanted to make sure that I see this in the budget, I see the change, I see what's going on, and you guys see what's going on, because baby, get into it. Okay, y'all, so I had to call the people to make sure that all my numbers was numbered and all the things was things, and you feel me? So after I found out that the Navy Fed has increased to $174.51 and you had to get it together, then y'all, life happens. Literally, life happened. So I was minding my business, as I always do, emphasis on the budget, and And my dryer decided to stop working completely. So I had to get a whole new dryer from Lowe's basically, and now I have a new debt because one, life happened and the girl was not prepared for it, and so I have an additional expense now for the month. So yay, that's great. So I talked to them and they was like, you know, I'm due on the 1st of every month, so 1 September would be my due date, but I don't have to pay anything on 1 September, but we paying something on 1 September, we paying something in September, okay? And so that is $30 minimum payment that needs to go to it, obviously, and all the debt and everything that's going on. I will show you guys where I'm at. But yeah, guys, so 2 things changed in September. One, my credit card went up to $174.51, and I have a new bill that's on the 30th. So, you know, in October we'll shuffle it around to make sure it's up top, you know, with the first people. But yeah, guys, I have a new bill, and life just comes at you hard. I had to pay this, and my car had to be fixed, and I'm just saying, life is life in. But one thing about it, 2 things for sure, budgeting definitely came through for your girl. It definitely did. So I am going to do the calculations now of how much all of this is, and then we will move on to my cash envelope, sinking funds, and saving challenge portion. So give me 1 second. After going through doing all the calculations, the total that I am going to be working with that's budgeted for the month of September is $2,860.71, you all. So your girl is working with what she got. So now 450.80 minus answer, which is this $2,860.71, has me with $1,719.29 remaining, which sounds really a lot. I want to say let's do 600 for cash envelopes, right? I want to say do sinking funds as 600 as well. And then I want to say the remainder of that is going to be saving challenges. So minus 600 from this $1,719.29. So it leaves me with $1,119.29. And then subtract 600 for sinking funds. Leaves me with $519.29. And so that is what I'm going to use for my saving challenges. And so that will equal me to plus 1,200, $1,719.29. Okay, so my income source is $4,580. I do have expense of $2,860.71, and then I have budget binders total right here. Ooh, sorry you guys weren't seeing. And then I have budget binders total right here of $1,719.29. So let's add the 4580 minus the 2860.71 minus the $1,119.29. Leaves me with 0 after calculating, so we're good. So that means that the total is evened out in 0. The last thing I want to do before we move, or we're completely done with this, is my goals for the month, because as they say, more money, more problems.
Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show.
It is what it is. I'm just glad that I'm staying on track, and even though I'm leaving to go on vacation, I'm still taking care of responsibilities and writing these down. So when I come back, girl, I ain't got no excuse. It's all there, pen and paper. It ain't black and white, but it is teal, pink, orange, blue, and white. So it's all there for me to see, you know? And so that's one of the things I want to leave you guys with. Even though you are leaving, going places, doing things, always remember to, if not create a budget, to write it down, so at least you have it once you come back, so you can have a plan once you come back. And that's literally what this is, my plan once I come back from vacation. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, friend, or foe. Leave your 2 cents in the comments so we can make up my 98 to $1. What else did I say? Ooh, subscribe, y'all. Subscribe. And yeah, ooh, I have a new goal for subscribers too. Like, I have a goal, y'all. The behind the scenes, I've been doing so much, and I'm so proud of myself. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.